It's a Via, as in Viacom. A little too windy today though, but it's sunny, and that's a big deal for me, man. Oh, beautiful bud cars. I don't see too many of them nowadays. Getting fixed, I guess. Oh, it's another Via. Got your new signals there up high there. One's in front of me, not even on yet. Why do we state the obvious, eh? Last call for boarding. Boy, these bud cars sure could use a cleaning though, eh? They're quite dirty, aren't they? Aren't they? Shit, there's another train over there. No. That's... yeah, that I think is that CP maintenance truck I saw before. I think that's what that is over there. I'm not positive. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a look at this. You see that, guys? Not often you see that double green on both tracks. Clear to proceed. I don't know what's coming now, but my chances of getting a freight over a Via just increased. Only thing that sucks is that the wind happens to be coming from we're about the point, and now it's freezing rain, and that is a Via. It'd be cool if a freight came right away though. You know, one shot, that'd be nice. You like those new lights on the top there? Yeah. Cold. Cold and wet. Yeah. Mm-hmm.